Hello everyone, we are second year students from Manufacturing Science and Engineering. This presentation is for the subject Biology for Engineers and our topic is the Lotus effect. This is presented by, my name is Priya Dhakulkar with Sai Jori, Mansi Chitture, Soni Tangat Pallivar and Isha Varke. So firstly, what is Lotus effect? So, lotus effect refers to the self-cleansing property exhibited by the leaves of lotus flowers, which are result of ultra-hydrophobicity. So, now what is ultra-hydrophobicity? Uh, Ultra-hydrophobic surface are hydrophobic, that is, they are extremely difficult to wet. The contact angle between droplets on an hydrophobic material exceeds 150 degrees. When a drop strikes these kind of surfaces, they get fully rebound like an elastic ball, which can be reduced later. This helps surface to easily get clean as dirt particles or pathogens are picked up by water as they get shrugged off from the leaves. This phenomena of lotus effect was first studied in 1977, but this cleansing phenomenon was possibly known in Asia long before, as reference to this lotus effect was found in Bhagavad Gita. Though its mechanism was only explained in the early 1970s after the introduction of scanning electron microscope. Now we will see the mechanism behind this.
Hello everyone, I'm Saizori and now I'm going to explain mechanism behind the lotus effect. First point, rough surface of lotus leaves. When we see the lotus, we feel that its surface is smooth, but in actual, lotus leaf have rough surface. Sliding of smooth surface over a rough surface. In the case of lotus effect, we see the case of sliding of smooth surface over rough surface. Here, lift act as a rough surface and water droplet act as a smooth surface. So we are moving towards next slide. When droplet fall on the leaf, it takes the shape of spear due to high surface tension. Because of sliding smooth surface over rough surface, there are less adhesive forces between water and leaf, and that it makes easy to slide water on leaf. Lotus leaf have hydrophobic properties. We all know that hydrophobic means it repels water and it becomes easy for water to slide down. And because of this, it results in self-cleaning process. This is very important point of today's topic. For explaining it in detail, I would like to hand over this presentation towards Isha.
Hello everyone. We just started off with the mechanism of lotus effect. Sai started off and I would like to continue the discussion further. So basically the leaves not get wet is due to the self-cleaning property. Now there arises a question, what is meant by self-cleaning property? So at first, the water droplet is spherical due to more adhesive forces and high surface tension. So what I mean by more adhesive forces is that there's more force of attraction between the water molecules rather than between the water molecules and the surface of the leaf. And high surface tension tends to make the droplets of least surface area, and we know that the least surface area is of a sphere, so that's why water droplet is spherical. And also hydrophobicity is responsible for self-cleaning effect. Priya just explained what is meant by hydrophobicity, and we need to get in touch with the term which is contact angle. Contact angle is the angle made by the liquid with the three-phase boundary where the liquid, solid, and gas intersect. It can be seen in the figure above. And how contact angle is related to hydrophobicity is greater is the contact angle, greater is the hydrophobicity of the surface. If the contact angle is less than 90 degree, we say that the surface is hydrophilic. While if it is greater than 90 degree, we say that it is hydrophobic. Greater is the contact angle, less is the contact of the droplet with the surface. Plants like some plants show the contact angles up to 160 degree and are called ultra hydrophobic, meaning that only 2 to 3% of the surface of a droplet is in contact. But the plant, which is with a double structured surface like the lotus, can reach a contact angle of 170 degree, whereby the droplet's contact area is just 0.6%. Dirt particles with an extremely reduced contact area are picked up by the water droplets and are thus easily cleaned off the surface. If a water droplet rolls across such a contaminated surface with the adhesion between the dirt particle, irrespective of its chemistry, and the droplet is higher than between the particle and the surface. All this phenomenon leads to the self-cleaning effect. Now I would like to call Sony to.
Hello everyone, my name is Soni Tangad Pallivar. As we have seen the mechanism of the Lotus effect, which are explained by the Sai and Isha. The technical application of the Lotus effect was widely used in shooting, caused, furnishing, trousers, shower, curtain, table covers, etc. Fluorocarbon-based fabric are used in making sportwear and industrial workwear. Some nanotechnologies have developed the treatments like coating, paints, roof tile, and fabrics, and other surfaces that stay dry and clean themselves by replicating a technical manner the self-cleaning properties of the plant, such as a lotus plant. The effect is useful in plant for the protecting and as well as for the protection of the public against the vandalism, as well as the development of the antibacterial surfaces. Another example of the biotechnology applied to this effect is the rainstop. Nanotechnological hydrophobic solutions of the glass and the windshield. And another application is used in a solar panel, which is coated by the layer which is super hydroscopic coating, which keeps the panel considerably clean. Now I would like to hand over the next presentation to Mansi.
Hello everyone. As my fellow mates discussed about the peculiar properties of the lotus leaf, which we termed as lotus effect, now let us throw some light upon the technological applications. There are huge applications of lotus effect, but due to time constraint, we are just focusing upon some of them. So first one is applications related to system of buildings. Nanoleaf coating is used as water repelling coating in walls of building coatings. As it is water repellent, which means it has water resistance properties in it. That particular coating will reduce the penetration of water into the walls. When the penetration of water is reduced into the walls, it will then water isn't absorbed by the walls. There won't be any moisture left in the walls. When there is no moisture, it minimizes the bacterial growth and which thus improves the health of the building. Can we just go to the next slide, please? Here we can see about self-cleaning glass. Due to super water repellency of nano lotus leaf coating, water droplets will not be retained on the glass surfaces, and it can be used in windows, glazed curtain walls, etc. So now just let us summarize it. So what we seen was, what is lotus effect was explained by Priya, and then the mechanism was discussed by Sai and Isha, and the applications were covered by me and Sony. This was from our side. Thank you.